I want to show you guys this. This is super important. Do not, okay, so when I took the cup off the truck, it had a lot of Loctite on it, all right? You remember how I was so grateful earlier that the person didn't put Loctite on it? Well, the one on the truck had a lot of Loctite on it. So I tightened up the tolerancing in this area here because I didn't like the way the original felt. So when you put this in, don't just put it in there like that and suck it down with the screw, okay? Don't do that. When you install this, get it lined up and get it perfectly straight, and then push dead straight, because I tightened the tolerancing up in there a little bit. It's a little bit better fit now than the original. The original fits okay. It felt a little wiggly to me. All right, so I tightened up the tolerance and it fits really good. And then put your little teeny screw in.